Here's how you can easily recover your deleted Facebook post. So first of all, go to your Facebook profile. From your profile, you have to click this three dot and click on Activity Log. In here, in this left-hand menu, click on Trash and you directly jump into your Facebook trash folder. Here, all your deleted posts, photos, videos, reels will store for 30 days. So during 30 days, you can come to this trash folder and you can just go ahead and select those items you want to recover, or you can click on all to select all items. Then just click on Restore. Click on Restore, and that's how you will be able to easily recover your deleted items on your Facebook. And note one thing, that after 30 days, all your items will be permanently deleted in this trash folder. After that, here is no option actually. You can restore your deleted items. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.